Effects of cooking methods on food. Methods of cooking. Let's discover their advantages and disadvantages. Cooking helps to make food more digestible and, in some cases, even more edible. The digestion of raw food takes more time and makes you consume more calories, but cooking also affects its nutrients. Some cooking methods are preferable to others. Methods of cooking with water include poaching, which uses water at a temperature below 82 degrees. Simmering is done at a water temperature between 85 and 95 degrees, and then we have boiling at 100 degrees. On the plus side, these methods have little effect on omega-3 fat stability. These methods, though, decrease the content of the water-soluble vitamin C and B. In fact, vitamin C is reduced by up to 50% and vitamin B by up to 60%. We recommend avoiding adding too much water. If you are using these cooking methods, the water will keep the minerals and some vitamins. Steaming is considered as a very healthy way of cooking as it reduces vitamin C by less than 15%. It may not be the yummiest way of cooking, so increase the taste by adding some spices. Most of us love a barbecue. It is an easy way to get together and enjoy the taste of grilled food. Unfortunately, this cooking method reduces vitamin B by up to 40% and might increase the risk of cancer. To limit the risk of cancer, reduce the dripping of fat into the fire to reduce smoke and include some fresh vegetables as a side dish. Sautéing and stir-frying preserves vitamin B as long as you don't add water. These cooking methods improve absorption of vitamin A and lycopene, antioxidant, from tomato. As a side effect, there is a loss of vitamin C. Vitamin C is more thermolabile than vitamin B. Deep frying for short period of time can preserve vitamin C and B, and of course it gives food a great taste. There are some disadvantages that come with this cooking method. Can degrade omega-3 content up to 70% to 85%. Frying at high temperature can increase production of toxic substances. See further evaluation of which oil to use. Increase caloric intake. Keep the frying time short and be aware of which oil to use. And which oil to use is the topic of the next lesson. Microwaving is a comfortable way of cooking. If you keep the microwaving time short, vitamin B and C are reduced by up to 20 to 30% only. Baking is an advisable way of cooking. But if we bake our meat for too long, it may lose up to 40% of the vitamin B.